The environment is not a passive backdrop to human progress. It is the silent partner whose resilience we overdraw like a bank account, forgetting that bankruptcy has no bailout in nature. So by saying this, I would like to start my speech on the topic environment for the special occasion World Environment Day. Good morning everyone, it's me Aisha Dongor from grade 9B. The environment is a dynamic and interconnected system of natural, artificial and social elements including air, water, land, organism and human activities that continuously interact to shape the conditions necessary for life, influence ecosystem and determine the quality for existence for all human beings across time and space. A clean and healthy environment is very important for the survival of all living beings. The environment provides us with all the resources that we need to live. It plays a very big role in our daily lives. It gives us everything we need like clean air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat and space to live in. Without a healthy environment, humans and animals could not survive on Earth. The environment supports all the living beings from the smallest insect to the largest animal. The environment also helps in balancing the nature. For example, trees and plants help clean the air by taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. Similarly, oceans, rivers and lakes prevent water from drinking, cooking, farming, cleaning, etc. Sadly, our environment is in danger due to human activities. Some of the main problems are deforestation, pollution, global warming, loss of wildlife, etc. Air, water and soil are being polluted due to plastic waste, vehicles, factories and global warming. This causes harm to humans, animals and even plants. Similarly, trees are being cut down to make cities and roads. This destroys homes of many animals and also reduces the amount of oxygen present in the air. Due to deforestation and pollution, our earth is getting warmer. This causes melting of ice in polar regions, rising sea levels and extreme weather conditions like floods and droughts. Many animals are being endangered and extinct because their homes are being destroyed. To protect our environment, we children and students must play an important role to keep our environment safe and healthy. They can help by learning about the environmental issues and spreading awareness among family and friends. Simple actions like turning off lights when not in use, saving water, reducing waste and recycling can make a big difference. Similarly, planting trees, keeping their surrounding clean and using eco-friendly transport like walking or cycling are also great ways to help the nature. By being responsible and taking part in school and community activities, we students and humans can lead the way into creating a cleaner, greener world. So by saying this much, I'd like to pass on this speech to Lona Punmagar.